Hello friends, here we are for the problem solution for the abrasive blasting machine where the powder is not coming from the gun. So first of all you have to remove this perforated sheet from the inside cabin, so that hopper is open now. So inside that open already you must be having some powder there. So you have to remove this powder initially outside. So for that you have to remove the nut beneath the T. So there is a T under the hooper, so you can just unscrew the blind nut and you can remove the powder. All the powder will fall down. You collect in the tray or some paper or something else. Check with there is any foreign particle like nut, washer or any residue is there. We need the powder very free fall like salt. There will be no any solid thing in the powder. So that after that second step you have to remove the rubber hose of the abrasive powder. For that you remove this hose clip. After unscrewing that, just pull down the rubber hose back outside. So after this removing the hose, the second step is you have to yeah, now the pipe is outside. Okay, so now put the finger or thumb on the gun nozzle hole. So you just block there with the finger, and from the outside the paddle you have to pressurize that pipe. So after pressurizing, the powder remaining or any residue remaining in the black that rubber hose, it will flow out with the air. After that this whole pipe will be clean. Thereafter you have to place again there on the connection there. After securely putting the pipe on it, you put the hose clip there, clamp it properly, and after that you have to place the under the blind nut, the under the T, and put the fresh powder or reuse the powder which will be absolutely free from any solid particle there. After that you just pour over the 2 kgs or 1.5 kgs over there, something like that. Place the perforated sheet again and you can start working it. With this instruction I think you hopefully will get clear with the solution for the problem. Hope I think so it will work for you. All right, okay.